Guys, never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings. They are not toys. Building occupants should not be dismounting fire alarms in public buildings. Only professionals are only allowed to dismount them, replace them, or repair them, not the building occupants. These are to save people's lives. These are not to be played with. These red things are not play toys. They are not. Don't paint them. Don't take the screws out. Because if you disconnect these wires, you might get electrocuted. Also, never ever paint them. Don't write on them. And building occupants should not be taking them down and taking them home with them, because it is stealing. If you tamper with any life safety device in a building, you will get arrested and you would have to pay a lot of money for it. Bye.